Hi, my name is Robert. People know me as Dutchie. I live on Merritt Island, and I come originally from the Netherlands, and I live in Canada. So about 2 days ago, in the morning, Friday morning, I actually signed up for this motor course, and training out in the backyard definitely made me comfortable driving this bike on back roads, and actually just learn more, because this is a basic course and I really need to learn more. But I do feel ready to actually start training on back roads, because the training in the back was superb, and actually it built my confidence. It was like a stepping stone. It was like one thing that I learned on top of another, and I just couldn't believe how much progress I made from hour to hour. And actually not only for me, but the entire group. The coaches were excellent. What I really liked is actually that all three of them that we had were so vastly different, and different coaches bring different techniques and teaching styles to the table, and I think that's really good, because the people actually that you're training are also all different. So we need to have a variety of not only teacher but also materials to resonate with the persons that actually are trying to learn to ride the bike. One method is not going to work for all of us. Yeah, so that's the great thing about having the teachers that are from different backgrounds doing different things. The driving test went really well, I thought, and actually I didn't have any deductions for the tests that I took. I was actually pleasantly surprised by that. The 2 days of driving really prepared me to do these tests, because we're just building up to pass all these tests, or at least get the skills for it. So yeah, that went really well, surprisingly well for somebody who has never driven a motorcycle before. I'm 52 years old, and actually 48 hours ago, I didn't actually drive a motorcycle. Yeah? So really cool. I would definitely recommend this place for people to get the skills to drive a motorcycle. Not only the skills to drive, but also to learn everything that actually the motorcycle does. And you learn to look at the road with different eyes. I didn't have any confidence in driving a motorcycle before I came here, because I never drove a motorcycle and I don't even know where the instruments are. So I definitely didn't want to try it. The overall experience is really great. Definitely would recommend it for people to do. And would I refer people? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, this is actually an eye-opener, and I don't think that if without a training course, you should be actually operating not only legally, but I don't even understand how you could even do it safely. And you just need somebody to teach you to drive a motorcycle. That's it.
It was our pleasure working with Robert this past weekend, and now it's your turn to make your dreams come true. Sign up for one of our Riding Academy classes at one of our 2 Orlando locations.